Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to create multiple alias for your Gmail ID. Also, if you want to know how to create alias for your business email, then there is a video in the description of this video. From there you can watch it and you can create alias for your business email by yourself. Now coming back to Gmail, you can see on my screen I am already logged in. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go to Gmail settings and you have to click on this cog icon. For that, click on that, then go to see all settings. So we are inside Gmail settings. Now under settings you have to click on accounts and import. Click on that. Under accounts and import you will find this option here, send mail as. Now after send mail as, you can see this Gmail ID is typed in, and this is the same Gmail ID on which we are already logged in. So I'm going to copy this because we are going to use this again and again, so we may not make any mistake. I'm going to copy this like this. Okay, now what you have to do next, you have to click on add another email address. Click on this, you will get a pop-up like this, and you will find these two options here, name, email address. So under name you can type in any name you want for your alias. Next is email address. Under email address you have to paste that email address which you have copied from here, or the email address on which you are already logged in. Okay, so you have to type in exactly same email address. Now what you have to do next here, after the prefix and before the at, okay, like this, I'm making space to make you understand. So this is the prefix, or you can say this is the username of my Gmail ID, and after that and before at, okay, you have to type in plus, and then you can type in anything you want to make it alias. Okay, so make sure you do not make any mistake. Username should be exactly same to your email ID, and then plus, and then whatsoever you want to type you can type in at gmail.com. Next you have to click in this option, treat as an alias. Make sure this is checked. Now click on next step, and you can see this page is already refreshed here automatically. And now under send mail as, we have these two email addresses, webunicortech@gmail.com and webunicortech plus netflix at gmail.com. And you can see it doesn't require any verification from Gmail because this is an alias. Okay, so this way you can create alias. Let me click once again so that we can generate multiple aliases. Web Amazon this time, and once again I will paste it like this, and I will place a plus and then Amazon after username. Make sure this is checked. Next, and you can see this is also added, and this time also this does not require any verification. So this way you can add multiple aliases in your Gmail account. Now few more options are here which are quite useful, so let me show you what you can do next. Now you have option to make any of these aliases your default email address. Okay, and after that you can also choose this option that always reply from default address. Like if you will make this default amazon@gmail.com, then when you will reply to any email, then this is going to be used, webunicortech at gmail at webunicortech plus amazon@gmail.com. So this is going to be used. If you will make this default and this option is selected, then this email ID is going to be used to reply any email. Now what you can do next, let me show you also how you can easily access to these inboxes individually. Okay, so what you can do next, you have to click on inbox. Under inbox you have this option, inbox type. So if you will click inside this, you will find out this option, multiple inboxes. Under multiple inboxes you can see I already have set up these two sections, but you may find it blank, or there can be anything else. So what you have to do, you have to type in like two colon like this, and then you have to type in that alias, okay, like this, and then you can name that section whatsoever you want to. But for now we already have these two, and then next you have to select that where you want to display these inboxes, like if you want to display above main primary inbox, or to the right, or below. Next, click on save changes. Now if you will go to this inbox, you can see we have this inbox here. Next we have Amazon alias. Now let's compose and let's see if we can get email to our Amazon alias gmail.com. Okay, like this, and let's make it test. It will take some time, and let's see if you will get this email. You can see now we have this email as well. Now let's compose and let's choose this one and test email, and let's see if we will get this email. Now you can see we have received this email, and you can see we have this email ID as send email ID. Okay, so this way you can create multiple aliases. You can individually set their inboxes like this so that you can easily access them. So this was all about, and you can have multiple aliases on one single Gmail ID. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, then make sure to leave a comment, and if you're stuck somewhere, then you can definitely ask in comment section. If this worked for you, then also let us know in the comments. See you in next video.